Here we've got Cubot X20, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to reach Settings, then find and select Display right here, and go to Wallpaper. And now choose the folder from which you would like to pick your wallpaper. It can be one from your Google Photos or wallpaper album prepared by Cubot. And this is what I will pick. And now you can choose the picture that you like the most. And here we've got all of them. I think I will pick this one, then click on Set Wallpaper, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, your lock screen only, or both of them. And I will pick both. And as you can see, wallpaper has been set up, and now it is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can change wallpaper on your Cubot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.